Stuart Bingham, of course, looking to book his place in what will be the last 32 of the UK Championships. He hasn't been beyond the last 16 of any event this season. He got to the semi-final group of the Championship League in the summer, right at the start of the campaign. But in terms of proper ranking tournaments that aren't group stages, he hasn't been past the last 16. So looking to put that right this week as Jimmy Robertson again attempts a brown to the corner pocket and fails to see it reach its destination. And in goes the brown and a relatively straightforward blue to finish. And in goes that blue. So Stuart Bingham, a pretty unscathed performance from him so far today. He'll be absolutely delighted with his afternoon's work. Stuart Bingham, the first man through to the finals in the Barber.
Well, a superb pot after all the things that have happened in this frame. A lot of them have gone against him. Just cleared his mind and delivered the cue really well. He needs brown and blue still. There's always been something about this tournament he's enjoyed. He won it 20 years ago. He's been runner-up twice since. Can he knock this in?
I'll tell you, it's not a gimme. It's missable. Don't expect him to miss it, but a bit of pressure on it. Place at the Barbican. Well played. Well played, Stephen Maguire. He's to go through the mill to try and get his place in that last 32.
And the pink is heading in as well. So Stephen Maguire wins a 59-minute deciding frame, and the former champion is heading back to York. A very eventful match, high quality. The decider was nervy, it was edgy. Maguire delighted to get over the line. Well, this is a spot of bother. She needs two snookers. This is the sort of position she'd like to have Jack in, I'm sure. With a chance of hitting the black. Referee positioning herself, Desislava Boshalova, to make sure that she can be on the scene to see which ball is hit. And it was the red. And the red has flown in the pocket. What a great pot to win it. It's been a good performance tonight from Jack Lazowski. Bai Yulu, the women's world champion, has earned a lot of support and a lot of respect this week.
For a good number of years. Jimmy White won it. Beat Parrott in the final, I remember, one year.
41.
Jimmy White's the only player to have his nickname on the trophy. If you look at 92, it says Jimmy Whirlwind White, actually engraved on the trophy.
Wow.
42.
They couldn't fit the jester from Leicester on it, that's why.
48.
Well, what happened there? Saying it went the other way. The match kind of looked over, didn't it?
He's got a good angle on the blue, just enough he can maybe disturb the top red of the two that's closest to the middle pocket. Just move that off the cushion. Perfect. So this red to guarantee himself a place in the last 32 and a trip to the Barbican in York. It's not there, so he may have to wait a little bit longer.
Never easy, that type of shot. Just a little cut back into a blind pocket. Purely relying on your line. He didn't quite find one there. Nah, but David Lilly leaving the red hanging, and that surely is going to be that. He will definitely be doing the gentlemanly thing and letting Wu Yize carry on here, but he'll be ready to shake his hand. And there is the concession. So Wu Yize, another name into the hat for the draw tomorrow afternoon. Who will he take on at the Barbican? Another player that the top 16 will probably not enjoy playing. On his day, he can really mix it with the best of them. Well done to Wu Yize.
So the black to lead by 74 with 67 on. The last frame was a big one, wasn't it? The way Hawkins won it. Very tense battle on the colours. Looking at the pink, either way, it'll be 2 snookers needed. Well, as I say, I mean, I've said it all day, but it applies to Barry Hawkins as well. It's another tough qualifier for the seeds. Of course, he's been seeded so often himself. But he goes there, of course, with matches under his belt and not with that first round pressure of no ranking points if you lose. And that adds to the danger, I think.
Just look at the list of players that have come through today. All 8 players absolutely brilliant. The lineup for York is looking exceptional already. And we've still got 8 more names to add to the draw tomorrow.